Okay, let's talk about the right tool for the right job. If you have a firearm and you are trying to change the sights are on the slide, the very top piece of the pistol. You can either hit it with a hammer to get those things to come out, which I don't recommend because it leaves marks on your firearm, or you just spend a few dollars on Amazon and get the right product. So you just take the slide off of your firearm and it clamps inside of the clamp right here. And then as you twist the bolt with a regular old ratchet set, it moves this piece over, which pushes that sight out of the slide and allows you to also do that in reverse to put the new one back in. These things are very reasonably priced on Amazon. They are very simple. They are small. It can fit right inside of your safe or wherever you keep your firearms. It has clear instructions, but pretty much what I said is how you use it. I know it is tempting to just hit it out with a hammer, put it in a vise, hit it out with a hammer. 1, don't love putting it in vices. 2, don't like hitting them with hammers. This is a simple solution, an elegant solution to a very simple procedure that you can do yourself. And I just love when there are the right tools for the right job. So this is what I use to remove the sights. It works for me, and I would definitely recommend it.